guys, this is part 2 of our walking with Smokey vlog, and he's getting hot, so we're gonna go back to my grandma's house to bring him back. So we're walking around. You didn't really see this. It's a little park. See, in our first part you didn't see this. See, and the ice cream truck is on the other side. So yeah, we are going to walk this way, right? Or this way? This way. Oh, look, a little Smokey. You going for a walk? Going for a walk, and I almost biffed it. Oh, why does he always look so cute? I'm leading them. Well, if I'm leading them, I'm supposed to be in front of the dog, so. Pookie, baby.
Get your exercise on.
You're getting hot, huh? Say, yeah, duh, lady. Take me back home now. Are we gonna walk this way? And we're gonna walk this way. Yeah. We've been walking for like 10 minutes already, though. He's walking like someone's car. Okay, we're gonna jump. Go across the street.
Come on.
Oh, look at little Smokey. Okay, so we're going back home because Smokey's getting hot.
Let's you stay right there.
Okay, so I actually just biffed it. So, yeah. Let's say I'm the biggest clutter bucket in the whole entire world. Okay, boys and girls, be careful when you're walking on something that's slippery. Oh, it's like a whip. Woo! I'm kidding, but it is like a whip. So, yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed, click like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram and Google+, rate this video, subscribe so you never miss a video, and comment down below saying if you like how cute Smokey is, and make sure you go check out part 1 and our other vlog. Yeah. Bye!